The diagonals of a rhombus are 6 cm and 10 cm. Find the area of the rhombus. So if this is our rhombus and these are the diagonals, we can find for the area of the rhombus by having the formula of area per rhombus with diagonals given as 1/2 times diagonal 1 times the diagonal 2. In our given, diagonals are, the diagonal 1 is equal to 6 cm and the diagonal 2 is equal to 10 cm. So to find for the area is equal to 1/2 times 6 cm times 10 cm. So that is 1/2 times, that is 60 centimeters squared, then 1/2 times 60, that is 30 centimeter squared.